I think this accelerator program really helped me learn a lot and helped me step into the actual business world.
Definitely standing in front of everybody and being able to articulate my ideas very well was a challenge for me at first, and I think the Business Accelerator Program gave me the tools to improve.
My favorite part was probably the visits, from the company visits. I found them so insightful and helpful, and it was also fun, engaging, as well as other events such as the workshops.
The favorite thing, I think it's the one-to-one meeting, so that the tutor can give us better suggestions for our own business plan.
So I've always been very passionate about opening my own business, and there's no better place that I could come to learn more about how to open your business from scratch.
I think winning the pitch competition is an absolutely incredible feeling. Knowing it's a validation that all the hard work and the long time I've invested in my business idea finally got paid off. And also it's a huge confidence boost knowing that industry experts actually believed in my vision.